The liberation of good enough, prioritizing progress over perfection. In a world saturated with curated online personas and the relentless pursuit of an unattainable ideal, it's easy to fall into the trap of perfectionism. We become paralyzed by the fear of imperfection, delaying action and sacrificing progress on the altar of a flawless, often imaginary, outcome. But what if we shifted our focus? What if we embraced the messy, imperfect journey and celebrated the incremental steps forward? The truth is, perfection is a mirage. It's a constantly shifting goalpost that keeps us perpetually dissatisfied. It breeds procrastination, stifles creativity, and ultimately, hinders our ability to achieve anything meaningful. One progress, on the other hand, is tangible. It's the accumulation of small wins, the lessons learned from missteps, and the steady march toward our aspirations. Why progress trumps perfection? Action over analysis paralysis. Perfectionism often leads to overthinking and analysis paralysis. 2. We get so caught up in planning and strategizing that we never actually take the first step. Progress requires action, even if it's imperfect. Learning through iteration. Mistakes are inevitable. They are not failures, but rather valuable learning opportunities. Embracing progress means accepting that iteration is essential for growth. Each attempt, whether successful or not, provides data that informs our next move. Building momentum. Small wins fuel motivation. Seeing tangible progress, no matter how small, reinforces our efforts and encourages us to keep moving forward. Perfectionism, on the other hand, can be demotivating, as the perceived gap between our current state and the ideal seems insurmountable. 3. Fostering creativity and innovation. Perfectionism stifles creativity by creating a fear of experimentation. Progress embraces exploration and encourages us to try new things, even if they might not work out perfectly. Improving mental well-being. The constant pressure to be perfect can lead to anxiety, stress, and burnout. 4. Focusing on progress allows us to cultivate a more compassionate and forgiving relationship with ourselves. 5. Cultivating a progress-oriented mindset. Set realistic goals. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable steps. 6. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Embrace imperfection. Accept that mistakes are a natural part of the process. 7. View them as learning opportunities rather than failures. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Appreciate the process of growth and development. Acknowledge the effort you're putting in, regardless of the outcome. Practice self-compassion. Be kind and forgiving to yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. 8. Document your progress. Keep a journal or track your progress in some way. This allows you to see how far you've come and reinforces your efforts. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate every step forward. 9. This helps build momentum and reinforces positive habits. 10. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Small steps taken consistently over a long period of time will yield better results than sporadic bursts of intense effort. In essence, shifting our focus from perfection to progress is about embracing the messy, beautiful reality of growth. It's about recognizing that the journey itself is just as valuable as the destination. By celebrating our progress, we liberate ourselves from the paralyzing grip of perfectionism and unlock our true potential. Let's strive for progress, not perfection, and watch as our lives transform.